Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're trying to prevent corrosion on a car battery terminal, this video is for you. So what I'm gonna be sharing in this video is two different things. These little felt rings, and what is called dielectric grease. The combination of these two, game changer as far as actually preventing corrosion, but most importantly, increasing the length of the car battery life. And this is how it works. So you take your grease like this, and then you just kind of put it all around the terminal. Then you take your felt tips. One is green, slide that over. One is red, and these usually come with, like, depending on the terminal size, you can take out like the inner ring or whatever. Slap that on top there. And then what I would recommend is to keep the connectivity on the top side, go all the way around sparingly for sure. Really get that on there, and it'll absorb into because it's like a grease, so it's going to kind of absorb into the felt on these all the way around, Keep it really nice and juicy. So then when you connect your terminals to this, you'll latch them on there. It's similar to like landscape lights. If you've ever used those little nuts, the little screw nuts that are specifically for landscape lights. Well, if you've ever noticed, on the inside of those, they have like this grease. That's exactly what this stuff is. So landscape lights are outside, they're in the elements, they're getting wet for sure. And so this will not only keep the electricity running smoothly between that that little nut that you screwed the two wires together, but it's going to prevent water from getting in there and causing potential rust and issues. The reason that this will help, let's just say, with the longevity of a car battery is because the corrosion, what happens is the corrosion kind of works its way between the battery terminal and the connection, the clamp or whatever that's connected to the vehicle, and that's not giving you a solid, consistent connection. Well, what happens when the alternator after the vehicle is running, it's not able to charge perfectly as it should because the connection is not as solid as it should be. This, plus the felts, pretty much prevents that from happening. It keeps that solid connection, with this grease, because it kind of maintains electric connection between the two pieces of metal. So, not only do you prevent your corrosion from occurring, but you have that nice solid connection. The alternator can keep this thing going all the time. It definitely will have a positive impact on the life of the old car battery. Hopefully, this answered any questions you have. Link to these items here is in the description. You got any questions, comments, or you think I don't know what I'm talking about? I always like to be challenged. I always like to be proven wrong, because that's how you learn. Feel free to give a comment, and we'll talk to you soon.